All right, Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues here. So, like I said in another video, Chicken Vesuvio, I bought a case of nice 3-pound chickens. The only problem is it didn't have the innards. I like the necks and the gizzards, you know, for stock stuffing. A lot of people love gizzards, and so I didn't have any. And then the livers, you can take the livers and make chicken liver pate. And that pays for the whole case many times over. And that's what I used to do in Texas. I worked with a French bistro, small little cafe, and we did that. You know, that one 2 orders out of 1 chicken of the liver pate, and you pay for the whole case, or the whole chicken rather. And but anyway, you know, so I can season up a little salt and pepper. On the downside here, I like to put a little garlic underneath so it won't burn. And so what I'm gonna do is a little bit of butter underneath. I like to put a little butter down, and so I'm gonna turn it over, and a little more salt and pepper. Put a little bit of blackened seasoning. Then that's some fresh rosemary. A little bit of olive oil on top so the won't burn on top as fast. We'll have the wings on there. We'll eat those usually. What else did we put on there yesterday, B?
Some rosemary on it.
Rosemary, salt, pepper, garlic. Russ, pass me that garlic powder, please. A little bit of garlic powder. All right. And I'll give that to B. And we're going to try to get a little bit of color on it. Try to get a little color on it, about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we're going to, and then we'll bring it out, put it in the slow oven until it's still a little pink in the middle. Then we'll let it cool down, and we'll split it, and I'll show you how we'll finish it. We'll see it coming out of the oven first. Peace. All right, let's check out that chicken. Probably nice roasted up. This oven's a little bit too hot, so we just get a good, little bit of good color on it. I put a little bit of chicken stock, a little bit more chicken stock, and pop it in the oven. Let's say probably about 45 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues. We're back with that roast chicken. It's time to come out. Oh yeah. We got it cooked. We got it cooked about 3/4, 80 something percent. Then we'll show you. We're gonna let it cool down, and we're gonna bone it out and serve a half chicken. And it's a beauty. This look what I do. I got my chicken stock going back here. All that natural flavor. Woo! Don't waste a thing. Okay, so we let our chicken cool. Sometimes we'll cut it like a room. It's best when it's nice and cool. So come down. So you come down. That's where the center bone is. So you come down. Then you got to cut through where the wing bone is. Then just peel it off. All right. We'll peel the other one. Make sure it's cut all the way here a little bit. Yeah, it peels right off. And okay, I take these wing bones off. You can cut that thigh bone out. See? So it's still a little pink in the middle. That's good. That's what we want. So then, I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of butter underneath. I had one last night with some hot sauce. So, what do you think, Glenn? Should we do like a buffalo herb roasted chicken?
You could.
Okay. Let me just rinse off my hands real quick. Be right back. Okay, so we got the Frank's Red Hot. It's very simple. If you don't want to do that, you put lemon and white wine, lemon and garlic. And do like an Italian roasted chicken. Put maybe a little more rosemary, a little more garlic. And put just a little bit of white wine on the bottom. Hey, B, give me a small cup of that gorgonzola.
Okay.
Just a little bit of gorgonzola on the bottom. Okay. Here we go, B. Stuff that in. You gotta put it in the hot oven just until it gets real, almost as dark as we can get it, and then pop it in the slow oven. Okay, Jazz Coat with the Blues. Glenn Peltier on camera. Man, we got the new camera. What do you call that new one? Well, we're not going to tell our trade secrets. But we get a little bit upgrade. Let us know if you know the difference, see the difference. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Peace. Let's check that buffalo roasted herb chicken out here. So what I'll do is I want to reduce that down. So we're going to leave it on that sizzle platter. Then we'll finish it off under the broiler a little bit. Here we do. Don't forget, we got the blue cheese in there. That's going to make like a sauce. Then just going to reduce that down. Got that chicken stock simmering in the back. You know, women and the wives, they think they don't want to get multitask. Look at us. Look at us go here, Glenn. Huh? So, always that stock. Just barely bring it to a simmer. See, look at the natural flavor there now. Right where we want it. We had butter in there, white wine, some of that hot sauce rubbed off on it. Hot sauce, white wine, blue cheese. So it's a natural. One more plate. We'll be right back. Just let that finish cooking like 1 or 2 minutes. All right, Glenn. So we're ready for that buffalo roasted chicken. Look at all the natural flavor. Sauce underneath. Like I said, you want to do herbs. Not do the buffalo or roast the chicken. Do anything you want with it. Want to try it out, B? Dusty, you want to try it? I like the thigh right here. You take that bone out, it cooks a lot quicker. I gotta say, come on, B, come on in. I gotta say, out of transparency, I had one of these for dinner last night. Right, B?
Yeah, you did. And I came and stole it.
That's beautiful. Cooking chicken on the bone.
Oh yeah.
One more. The breast piece. Yeah, a lot of flavor. Hey, Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera. Can't thank you enough. All the work you're doing, these videos, putting them up. Almost over 2 million minutes watched last month. Please share this recipe with your friends on your Facebook, social media if you can. We're all grassroots, no major media. Soundwaves Magazine, I write an article every month. Daddy Jack's, subscribe to our page. We put a lot of stuff up on Facebook on Daddy Jack's in London that we don't put up anywhere else. So, and Paula Peltier be here. And remember, for the sausages, Orsini sausage for the holidays, it's cooler weather. It's easier to ship the sausage, and I recommend the triple hot, the small parsley garlic, and I gotta say, this one here we're gonna donate the first Kanshang knife, okay, and it's gonna be for you're a real humanitarian, and been following us and giving us a lot of support on our page for a long time. Todd Lundquist, he's out of Lake Tahoe, and this is this hello to his dad and the senior center up there and all the friends. He says he goes up there and he puts on the videos, and they all in the senior, they get around and watch the videos, and they enjoy them, and it really makes me happy. And we did my daughter Rachel, we did a luncheon here for some Lighthouse schools, the special needs children, and we put the video up, and Todd called us or contacted us, and they want to sponsor the next event that we do with them. They want to sponsor it, and I really appreciate that. So we're going to be sending Todd the 8-inch Kanshang Swedish steel chef knife. It's a beauty. And thank you all, and God bless. Lake Tahoe is some of my best favorite places in the world. I skied out there when they had that big blizzard, 5 feet of snow in 3 days. Didn't know what I was doing. Being in New England, had maybe 2-3 inches of snow, and I was over my head, literally. Peace. Oh yeah, some of that thigh meat.